Hi, this is another awesome install, Budget Blinds at Federal Way. We're out here at a beautiful home in Star Lake. Check out the awesome view here. Customer has this really cool outdoor patio area, fireplace, but he was a little worried because people from the street were looking right into his living room, and he also had the elements, as you can see. Not exactly a beautiful day today. So we installed some exterior shutters from Window Outfitters. They're aluminum, they're meant to be outside, they're really awesome. Thought I'd just show you how they work. Bolts top and bottom, secure them, good up to hurricane force winds. And also for security, you can close the louvers, you can even lock the louvers. So if you had an exterior patio area that was maybe at ground floor, you could feel totally comfortable with closing off the space, maybe have an entertaining room with a TV or something like that. If this is something that would fit your home, give us a call, 253-336-5779.